What was his name that made the homemade rum?
Caña.
Caña. And you're saying that he used to drink it all the time.
He has a gallon.
He has a gallon of it.
Yeah.
And then his wife would tell him, everyone would tell him, stop drinking it.
His wife and his brother, Tony and Maminga, everybody said, don't drink, Chuito, you're going to get killed. They all died.
They all died. And he's still alive.
Oh, alive, nice and fat.
He's nice, fat guy. Drinking homemade rum.
It's very nice.
Drinking his Puerto Rican moonshine. Moonshine. Is that where we're going now to get some moonshine?
Yeah.
All right. Hi. How's it going? Good? All right. Good? All right. So I don't know where Uncle Larry went. This is the moonshine. This is the moonshine place. All right, so if you have another camera, I forgot that Uncle Larry liked to hang out the bars. All right, so no drink, I'm good. Yeah, maybe a Malta. Yeah, Malta. Those are always good. All right. Nice. Hey. You know, this is great. This is all the chickens and the roosters. And we're going to walk back down here, down the mountain, there's Uncle Larry, to see. Oh, watch out, a little wide. Look at all of them. Hey, chickens. Hey, chickens. Okay, I don't have any food for you. None. No food. You look like you're going to be food one day. So it's raining a little bit out here, and I'm trying not to, oh wow, look at that. Waterfall. Man, this is awesome. Hoping that my camera doesn't die out. I'm walking down these crazy stairs. I'm talking, we are talking, we're being followed. Chicken zombies. Oh my God, that is just awesome. That is just amazing. I'm gonna have to switch to my other camera because this one just isn't capturing. This is just beautiful, the river. Look at them going down those rocks. That's the path I gotta walk. So I'm being really careful right now because this is it's raining. I'm by the river. Got a 40-pound pack on and these damn skeletos. This is this is accident waiting to happen. Look at the hubcaps. People out here. Wow. Oh, let me put down my Malta. I've never been here. People out here don't really know how to appreciate this. Holy smokes. Look at that. That is, that's a reason just to live here. You know, the people out here don't have much, but they definitely have, this. Wow, these, I am sliding. I need my boots next time. Oh my God, that's just awesome. Hold on, let me see if I can set this up. This is just an amazing waterfall. I'm grateful to Larry for bringing me out here because I don't think I would have found this spot. It's behind this little bar. And look at these rocks I had to climb down. That's the stairway. Okay, you heard me talking about slipping? That's because I had to walk down that and it's all wet. And you see how wet these rocks are. All right, he's pointing me to go over here, but I just have no grip on these shoes. These shoes are too slippery, Larry. Hold on, let me see if I go up here. I don't want to slip and fall. Here we go. Wow. That is just drop dead gorgeous. I had no idea. I should have had an idea, but I didn't. And man, this is just so relaxing. You kind of want to go down in the middle of all that. Do people go down in there?
Yeah.
They don't. They swim in there?
Oh yeah, that goes about 5 feet.
5 feet deep.
Yeah, that's 10.
And that current doesn't suck you down?
Yeah, and there is deep, 10 feet.
10 feet deep.
And they jump from there.
They jump from up there.
Miguelito, everybody jump from there.
They dive from there into 10 feet water of that. That is just not a good idea. That's how you break a leg. Alright, here I am, trying not to slide down into the water. The waterfalls down there. Still the same camera, so it might die out. I just have this idea. So hopefully we'll be able to check out the waterfalls and rivers behind their house a little bit later today. It's a little overcast, so it's not super hot out. We'll check it out soon. It's awesome.